Merry Christmas.
Oh, really, look. Santa left the fireplace open. Look.
Hey.
Chopper. He left his cookies and milks and carrots there. Oh, wow.
So Chopper ate.
Loaded.
Turn another light on.
Firehouse. Look.
What?
Look at Princess.
Yeah.
Princess. Giraffe. You love him?
She's the green way.
You love giraffes, Brennan?
I have a Princess toy piano.
What? Really? What'd you get? What is that?
Broden, let Brinley open those. You open this, Broden. Open that one.
Okay, got this one.
Give that to Brinley. Yeah.
What is this like?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
I have a baby tiger.
A baby monkey, it looks like.
What'd you get? Broden. Uh-oh.
Oh, Giraffe. No, don't push him over. Broden, you gonna open your present? Here, Broden, open. Really, I think you know what that is? You can put him on the computer. You can play with him on the computer. And you give him a name and everything. I think be in charge of both of those now. Here, Broden, open this. Yeah. Open it up. Wow, what do you have? I think that's a game, Brinley. Broden, what did you get? What is that? A football!
Brinley.
Stop.
What do you got?
A football!
All right.
Cool, buddy. Good? Oh, catch, okay. Good job.
job.
Ready? Yeah! Okay, you ready to open
Broden.
another one?
Broden. Hey, buddy. What'd you got there? Broden.
Cool, she said cool.
Cool. What is it, Brinley? Puzzle?
It's a puzzle. Good job. It's okay. Here, just put it right over here. Here, you want another one, buddy? Here, Broden. Here.
What?
Big.
Going for the big one.
Broden, come here, buddy. Broden, here, come here. Bye, football.
What is that? Brinley, what is that?
I'm not more football. Here, Broden. Here.
What's a Peter cut?
It's a computer game.
Broden.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Broden.
it's your own computer.
Broden. Look. Look.
So fun.
Where's this?
No, no, big boy.
That's for Broden.
No, no.
Here, you can open this.
All done.
Broden.
Here, Broden, come here and open this. You can open that too.
I need to close that.
Whoa, that has something in the
What? Oh my goodness. Who's in there?
Yeah.
Who's in there? Nuh-uh.
Mama.
I'll hold it. You open this. Open. Open. Open.
Dr. Stelier.
Yeah.
Who?
Dr. Vasilier there.
Brinley, who's in there?
Dr. Stelier is right there.
Where?
Dr. Stelier.
Good job, Broden.
Wanted
Do you need to get him out?
What, big girl? Do you like that?
And I want a princess bike.
What?
A princess bike is mine.
Oh, wow. I didn't even see
Do
that.
you see your princess
Hold on.
bike?
Hold on, Broden.
Whose princess bike is that?
This is a bottle.
Whose princess bike is this?
Mine.
Oh, don't push it, big boy.
Oh, Tintin.
Don't push it over.
Oh, you must have been a really good girl.
Oh,
I know.
Show me that, Brinley. What is that?
Hamster.
Mama.
Can you show it to me?
It's a tail.
All right, you want to take a break, babe, because he's pooped already.